Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the portfolio. So, I do believe stocks like SoFi, Shopify, Celsius, Elf, everything that is down hard right now. Obviously, not the AMDs of the world, not the Microns of the world. Those are the stocks that in the past year have been going crazy. So, if you're in those stocks, you've been making a lot of money. But if you're in any of the other stocks, you've been losing a lot of money. So, that's kind of like the narrative that's going on in the market right now. If you're not in these type of stocks, then you're not really making any money. But I believe in the next couple of months, or maybe even that by the end of the year, that the narrative will change a little bit, and maybe these type of stocks won't be skyrocketing as much, and money will slowly start to rotate into the other names such as SaaS plays, such as CRM, ServiceNow, those type of stocks, and kind of like the retail type of stocks, Celsius, Elf, those type of stocks. It will slowly start gaining momentum because if you look at almost any of those stocks right now, they are down year to date, man. Look at this: Celsius down a lot, Elf down a lot, ServiceNow down a lot, Salesforce down a lot. Almost everything's down, and obviously, I think the downside right now of buying any of these type of stocks, you really can't lose too much money. Like look at these stocks; they've been stabilizing for quite a bit already. I believe it's almost that time for these stocks to slowly bounce back and make a run. And most of these stocks are down 50+%, right? So these stocks will eventually go back to 52-week highs, right? Especially the Salesforce and the ServiceNow. I think with AI, those stocks will definitely become better than they were before. And these ones were like the top, like the best stocks that Wall Street loved because they were that monthly revenue, monthly recurring revenue based companies that you could basically expect uh, a certain amount of money per month from these type of companies, right? And then you see companies like Shopify, Celsius, Elf, those companies that their earnings were amazing, right? They were doing record numbers, record everything, and you see these stocks 52-week lows, 52-week lows. Come on, like Alpha, very good, right? Celsius, one of the best earnings they've had so far, down all the way to $30, right? Shopify, same thing, under $100 when this used to be $180 stock. Did very good on their earnings, and you see these stocks just going down. So every week, as long as they're stabilizing and even if they keep going lower, I would actually want these stocks to go lower. I would continue to put in a few $100 into these stocks. That's the plan that I'm doing. I'm gonna probably keep buying like a few $100 worth of shares on each company of Shopify, Celsius, Elf, Meta, ServiceNow, Salesforce. SoFi is a good one too. SoFi also, I believe, will bounce back and probably harder whenever the market goes back risk on these type of stocks. I think SoFi will go on a run into the 40s, right? Fast. Because this type of company right here will makes huge runs extremely fast. Like look at this. Whenever it starts going on a run, it goes all the way up. It was a stock that was in the $6 range. It goes all the way to like $15, $16. Then it goes back down. It goes down under 10. Now it went all the way up to 30. Then it goes back down to 15. It's going to go up to 45, you know? So I think this one is going to go up to into the 40s. And then it'll probably go back into the 20s. And it'll go up. Then it'll go into the 60s. It's super volatile, right? So, but volatility, you make a lot of money doing that. So that's kind of the play right now. Probably going to buy a few $100 worth every week. As long as these stocks are down, I'm going to accumulate as many shares as I can. Look at this. I want to get these into the $3,000 to $5,000 position, so I need to deposit as much money as possible, man. If I can get most of these into the 5K positions, I'll be happy, because then most of these positions will be worth $10,000 to $15,000 to $20,000 in the long run. So it'll help push the portfolio past